with another brand new. Hi guys, welcome back with another brand new video. Today we are playing Jailbreak, and yeah, guys, you will not believe it, guys. But I bought the I actually bought the little heli, little bird, not little heli. Yeah, I really got. I'm gonna show you guys. Let's check it out. I'm gonna show you. I'm not telling lies, guys. No scam, nothing. Because guys, Bacon is a pro player. Right, guys? Whoever agrees with it, please like, share, subscribe this video and channel. Let's go. Oh no. Oh no. Wait 1 second. 1 sec, baby. No. 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 Bye. And we just like nicked him up. He's so suckish. Oh, Lambo. I want to drive Lambo. I love to drive Lambo. Guys, the sound is like so good. The Lamborghini sound is the best. It has some good. Let's take AK-47. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I'm taking. I wish that Lambo is unlocked because it looks so cool. I love it. Please. That's good. Guys, yeah, boys. Let's go, boys. Yeah, I have an idea. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna a little bit. Oh no, I will waste. I have to waste. Wait 1 second. Yes, that's good. Oh, wait, oh, it's a scam. No, boys. No, I can't believe it. It can't happen. No, I wasted all my bad. Oh, this is good. I'm ditching it. I'm taking my AK-47. I'm getting angry. Angry. Where's my car? Oh my god, my car went. Let me spawn some vehicle. Right, go. Let's go in full speed. Oh no. I want to see if a little boy is there. Oh my. I'm getting scared, guys. I'm going off. But I'll show you my little boy. No, I'm getting scared. I'm getting scared. No. See, guys. It's so good. And you guys, guys, I'm such a big pro. They know how fast I am in getting cash in jailbreak, guys. And yeah, I one more thing. I only play 15 minutes, guys, every day. Only 15 minutes, guys, and still I got it. Like, guys, like I get 1 lakh in 15 minutes or 30 minutes sometimes. Sometimes I guys I played some 30 minutes, then I get 1 lakh. Where should we go? This kind of jailbreak is kind of boring, guys, these days. Like, what should we do? We almost have everything. Like I don't want to buy anything else. Oh, it's open. I have to go in then. I have to go in. I have to go in. I have to go in. With it? Oh, crappy shit! Guy, what the hell? The flip. Guys, something should be open. Something. Because I want this to be open. Please. 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 Guys, let's go to the museum. Oh shit. I have to hold it up. Okay, now. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! That's bad. That's bad for him. I have to save him. I have to save him. Where is it? Oh, is he back of me? No! Shit! Guys, the crappy shit! I just got arrested. Crap. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please like, share, subscribe. What are you doing? Okay. And yeah, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye and see you later.